Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact world you want to change. Make a backup first so you can revert if something breaks. Once done, close the world and export, or copy the save to cloud storage or a separate folder to preserve the original. Next, go into Settings and enable access to snapshots or experimental gameplay when applicable. This grants the game the new snapshot features. Do this now so you won't lose progress during the change. Now you install or opt into the snapshot build. Use the in-app beta/experimental opt-in or a trusted installer that matches your mobile platform. Once installed, locate the backup and either replace the world files with a snapshot-compatible version or launch the world using the snapshot version so it converts correctly. Make sure to accept conversion prompts. This updates world data structures. Take it slow here because conversion changes terrain and behavior. Finally, open the converted world and verify critical systems. Test redstone, mob spawning, and important builds to confirm changes applied properly. If you see errors or corruption, immediately restore from the backup you made earlier. This is why you backed up. If issues persist, make sure the snapshot build matches your device and clear the app cache or reinstall the snapshot. One key tip: version mismatch is the most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.